Hello everyone. Today in Katti's kitchen, instead of any recipe, I am taking you to our farms. We named our farms as Bharadwaja farms, and let's have a tour of Bharadwaja farms. She is Savitrama and she works in our farm and takes care of our complete farm. She and her husband both takes care of our farms. Basically, we are farmers. Me and my husband are farmers, and we stay in a farmhouse, and this is our farm. You can see so many plants. This is a tamarind plant. While in a walk around, I will show you some more plants of mangoes. This is a small mango plant which we have planted a year back. This is tamarind plant of 4.5 year old, and this is drumstick plant. You can see many more of drumsticks here. This is a season of drumstick and we need to pluck them and send them to market. You can see them, and yesterday what I have uploaded the video of drumstick stamber has been plucked from these plants only. These are some flowers. Daily we pluck them for puja. We have so many flower plants also, and this is tulsi plant, and these are brinjals. We grow our own vegetables without any fertilizer, and this line is of completely mangoes. Kesar mango we have planted. This is a 2.5 year mango plant. It's a Alfonso one. This year it has started to give fruits. Can see the flowering and some mangoes also. That mango pickle video I have uploaded is from this plant I have plucked. These are the mangoes. This year only this has started to give fruits, and these we grow in a typical method where we will spread the tree plants, but not we will not allow them to grow up. This will spread. And this is a insulin plant. Normally we say daily we used to eat 2 leaves of this, which we will keep our blood sugar in manageable level. It's a very healthy plant. It's little bit tangy in taste, but it's very tasty as well. Seventy plant. Season is over now, so these are the unplucked flowers you can see, and they have shed their leaves, and these are the new flowers. Yeah, this is a drumstick plant where you can see lots of flowering is coming. See, you can see drumsticks as well. As I said, we need to pluck at least 3 to 400 kgs of drumsticks are available at currently in the farm, and we need to send them to market. Some of tamarind plants which are of 4.5 year old have already started giving fruits. You can see some 1 or 2 imlis here. So basically we have planted 1 tamarind, 1 drumstick, and a complete line of mangoes. This is how our farm looks. Let's see this plant. You can see only drumsticks. It has shed its all leaves, and only drumsticks are available now. So many drumsticks are there. You can see only drumsticks in the whole tree. Drumsticks are more than the leaves here. We feel really very happy whenever we come to farm. See here also no leaves, but only the drumsticks. Look here, brinjals are coming, so nice. These are totally chemical free, not at all fertilizers we have used for these plants. You can see the brinjals. These are completely from home, not to send the market, because we have grown in a very small scale, not to send to the market up to a large scale. This area recently we have developed, and again we have planted mangoes only. This is of Kesar, and the last line you are seeing is of variety of mango plants. Of 10 varieties are there, which we brought from Andhra Pradesh. And this tiny plant is of apple. We bought this from Himachal Pradesh 6 months ago, and it is still adjusting to this climate. This apple grows in hot area up to 50 degrees Celsius. And these are the banana plants. Fruits are almost ready, but still takes 2 weeks to take out. This line is of banana plants with 20 to 25 plants, and each plant has given 5 to 6 baby plants. You can see this. And these are the desi variety. Comes a little sweet, little tangy in taste, and very healthy for our immunity system. We grow for our consumption only, for us and for our family, friends and everyone, not to sell in the market again. Basically, drumsticks, tamarind and mangoes are the commercial crops here. Rest all for ourselves only. You can see here, these are the curry leaves plants of around 500, but yesterday only someone has cut everything and we sent them to the market. So they need again 6 months to grow up. See, this is almost ready to take out. This is completely ready to take out. This is, I am uploading this video. It's a completely non-edited video, and whatever I have taking this video in that form only I am uploading. Hope there may be some audible problem to you. Just if you face any problem in audio, just ignore that and just enjoy our farm too. These are the Peru Goa plants. Actually, most of the Goas have been eaten by parrots, so we hardly get to eat. But we are happy that lots of birds will come here and eat the fruits. See this? This is how parrots starts eating. They will eat half and just go to the next one. So hardly we get to eat the guas. This is a custard apple sitaful plant, and we enjoyed lots of sitaful during the season. Plant is called as ATM, means anytime mango plant, and it will give whenever the plant wish to give the fruits. It does not have any time or season. It will sometimes it gives in September, sometimes in December, sometimes in March. Whenever they wish, they will give. Currently I am not seeing a single fruit flowering here, so it may give in October or November. And again the sitaful plant, and some dalimbi is there, pomegranate. You can see pomegranate plants flowering is there. 1 or 2 fruits are also there. As there is little bush here, I am not going near to the plant, and we will get enough fruits from the plants, and these are of 10 or 15 numbers each, and these will be good enough for us and family and friends, everyone. Actually we have 2 farms. This is one farm, and second one is of totally mangoes which have grown in ultra high density method. One more time I will take a tour of that farm also. Let's catch you up. Thank you.